If you go to the effects panel and use one of the fusion titles, such as the one that I have already got on my timeline, then in order to change its background, opacity and color, select the fusion title on your timeline and then go to the fusion page. In the nodes panel, double click on the text box to open all the nodes and then select the text node and then select inspector. There is a glitch in DaVinci Resolve and it doesn't show all the properties. So to fix it, simply select any other node and then come back and select text node. Now in the inspector panel, you could see the properties. Go to the shading tab. Under the type, you could change the background type, for example, gradient, image, or solid. And then to change the opacity, you need to change the alpha value. And by moving the alpha value to 1, you could make the background opaque. You could also click on the color and then pick a different color to change the color as well. As you can see, this procedure is a bit tricky and can be hard to find exactly where to change the properties. If this video helps you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel. And if you still have any questions, let me know in the comments below.